Hey guys, Ben here from WoodWorks, and today I'm going to show you how to turn an old birdhouse into one that looks like this. So this one has a couple cool features. I added some hinges on the side and a switch, so then you can flip it up. So that makes for really easy cleaning. And I put a little smiley face right there. So keep watching to figure out how I did it. Okay, so we'll start off by painting the roof gray, and I already took the measurements to the bottom. It was 16 3/4 by 14 inches. So I'm painting the roof first because when I need to paint the bottom, it's going to be easier to paint to cover up the roof to paint the bottom red. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the top gray. So, and I don't need to prime it because this is paint and primer. So So let's get started. Okay, so this birdhouse was mainly for decoration before, but now my friend wants it to be like more useful. So I'm making a base because the other one rotted away. So I'm making it 16 3/4 by 14 inches, and she wants it to be super easy to clean. So I'm gonna put hinges on the side, so then you can just like swing the base open and just let everything come out. So it's really easy to clean. So let's go make that base. So I have some hinges and latches. So I'm just gonna attach these onto the birdhouse. So let's go. So here it is. I think it looks really good. I added, so the hinges look good. You can't really see them at all. The colors look great. And I think it looks a lot better than it used to. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Go follow my Instagram. I'll have that in the bottom of the page. And I'll see you guys next time.